Hello, I'd like to introduce myself. Matthew, but I'm not out here to talk about myself. Just real quick. Boulders. Very much yesterday for very much we. I'm always there out there for you. Hope you like what we agree with. And other than that, really did enjoy that part where he said the big time loser. They can't even win. I totally agree with that. I'd be out there for you. Glad I'm just one guy. Me love stuff like that. I was as much seen as me watching KBW'S Basketball 4 Part 1, 2, and between that and yesterday, the quarterback he had was very excellent, really good. Glad I could be in the right place where I was. Just one guy speak for you. For now, I haven't talked about myself. Relationship that I do have. I'm getting details on that. Glad to be out there for you. For now, this is Matthew, the Bulldozer. Thank you. I'm very much weak, and I'll be a twin, and pretty sure it'll come up with some variant too, so save me, so glad to be very respectful and very good person for you. I'll leave you away for contact me. Peace out. From me, Matthew.